In this video, I will show how to install WordPress on a local server in Xampp on Windows operating system. So let's get started. Make sure that you already have installed Xampp on your system, and next browse this URL and get the WordPress package. If you have not already, click here to download WordPress archive package. If you already have installed Xampp web server on your system, open Xampp control panel, start Apache web server and MySQL database server. Now access the MySQL server using phpMyAdmin on localhost, and then create a new database for WordPress on your web server, as well as a MySQL user who has all privileges for accessing and modifying it. Click on databases. Now choose a name for your WordPress database. I'm going to name it WordPress and also select the collection. I'm going to select this collection. Now click on create. Now I'm going to create an user for WordPress. Click on home button and then click on user accounts. Let's add a new user account. Click here to add. Choose username. I'm going to name it WordPress and then enter the host name. You can select local or any host. You can enter the password for this user account manually, retype this password, or you can generate a strong password and copy this password. You can write down the username and password. Now leave all options under global privileges at their defaults and then click on go button. Okay, now return to the user's screen and click the edit privileges icon on the user you have just created for WordPress. In the database specific privileges section, select the database you have just created for WordPress. Click on the database button and then select database from this list. Click on go button. Now check all these boxes and then click on go. That's it. Now unzip the WordPress package. So navigate to download folder. Now extract this zip archive. Upload the WordPress files to the desired location on your web server. Navigate to htdocs of Xampp. Paste here. Now navigate to WordPress package and find and rename this file wp-config sample. Now edit the file. Open this file with any text editor. Let's add your database information here. At first, define the database name here. My case WordPress, and then define the database username. My case the database name and username is same. Now enter the password for WordPress user. Okay, now save this file and then run the install script on localhost. You should visit this URL. localhost/wp-admin/install.php. Now select the language, then click on continue. Now set up the configuration file. Here enter the site title, my case, enter the username. You can select this password or you can enter a custom password. Copy this password and then enter your email address. Then click on install WordPress button. Now log into your WordPress admin dashboard of your site. Now enter the username or email address and password. Then click on login. This is the admin dashboard of WordPress of your site. Okay. Here you will see some tables has been generated automatically after installing WordPress on your local server with an username and password. If you like this video, like, comment and share. Thank you so much for watching this video.